This video tutorial I will explain how to use regular expression and get the documents from the collection. Regular expressions are used for pattern matching, and using regular expression we can find strings within the documents. Sometimes when we retrieve documents from the collection, we may not know exactly what exact field value we have to search for. In that case, we can use regular expression. Here you can see employee DB. It has employee collection and it has three documents. In this query, I am using regular expression and I am going to get documents where employee name starts with GU. I am executing this query and here we got the output, and we got two documents where employee name starts with GU. Suppose I want to get employee name starts with Guru 99, then place it here, execute this query, and I got one document. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.